Hello everyone. Today we are here to make chicken, and this is country chicken. So we are making country chicken in the clay pot again. So in the earlier video you have seen that I have made mutton curry in the clay pot. So today we are making the country chicken. As you all know that country chicken would be very hard and it doesn't cook so easily, but I'll show you today how we can cook this recipe in a fast way, and it cooks very nicely and softly from inside. So let's start it. So for this we need I have taken 500 grams of country chicken, and I have marinated it for about half an hour. So for this marination we need yogurt, that's a plain white yogurt, and that is 500 grams of chicken along with the red chili powder and turmeric powder. I have marinated it. So before that I want to say you, whenever you wash the chicken or mutton meat or fish or prawns, anything, or seafood, any kind of seafood or any kind of non-vegetarian, so just wash it along with lemon, so that it has bacteria and it has some sort of smell, that all things will go away easily. Okay, and then so let us start it. So for this we need 1 cup of onion, half a bowl of tomatoes and coriander, as well as mint leaves and 2 green chilies, and also we need garam masalas like cloves, cardamom. This is a biryani flour. So, and this is shahi jeera and cinnamon sticks. So let's add oil first. So the clay pot is getting heated up. So just little bit of oil is enough, because chicken has oil in it. Fine. So this you can see how nice the clay pot is. It just acts as non-stick pan as well. So let us add all these spices to this. Nicely get sauteed the oil. Now once you feel that they are nicely getting fried in the oil, the aroma comes up, then we have to start adding the onions. The aroma from the the flour of the biryani flour, or it goes very nicely with the chicken, so it leaves nice flavor in the oil. So let us add onion to this now. I have finally chopped the one big size onion. I can feel nice aroma in this. Just I have already added ginger garlic paste. I forgot to say, I have already added ginger garlic paste in the marination. Yes. So we need to add some salt to this, so that the onion gets nicely fried fastly. Because there is yogurt and tomatoes, that's the reason why I'm adding little more salt, because the tomatoes and curd absorbs more salt. So we need to fry it until brown, golden brown in color. So let's increase the flame. It hardly takes a minute to get it fried. So guys, here I want to tell you something or share something with you, that try using or try cooking the country chicken mostly, because it is healthier and it is hygienic and it is very good for your health. So for the health point of view, it is very nice, and it has good protein. So because you can see that nowadays the chicken, or not the desi chicken, this is the country chicken. So the one which you are getting in outside, like the poultry chickens, which are broiler, that's called broiler chicken. So that has they are giving a dose of antibiotics to it, so that it can grow quickly, and also some different medicines are being given to them, so that they can grow fastly, and the more it weighs. So just try to avoid that chicken, and try to bring the country chicken and try to use it. So because it is very tastier and healthier as well. And also cook it in a clay pot, because it retains all the vitamins and minerals and proteins in the pot. So let it get slightly more brown. So meanwhile, I'll show you. You can see how nicely it is marinated, and you can even add some raw papaya to this if needed. If you want, you can add it. So this is nicely the country chicken. You can see the color. You can see the yogurt. Meanwhile, you have to keep on sauteing it for a minute again, so that the onion gets fried nicely and it doesn't stick at the bottom. Or you can just keep the plate on it, so that it cooks very nicely and very good and easily. So it's on a high flame, guys. So don't worry that we should not cook these clay pot on a high flame. Nothing to worry, it can be cooked easily. So as I have told you earlier in the previous video as well, that we need to wash these clay pots with warm water. So remove it. So you can see that it's nicely Let's add green chilies. I have added only 2 green chilies because we have already added a good amount of red chilies in the marination of. Saute it nicely. Put the lid again. Just saute it for a minute. And somebody, if you don't want to add tomatoes, you can avoid it. And someone who doesn't want to use yogurt, and you can avoid it as well. So you can just make with the help of onion. Last time in my previous video in the mutton curry, you can see that I did not fry the onion like this, but I used brown onion. So you can do even like that, but this is the best version of all. that you need to fry the onion, and someone can even make a paste of the onion, and even you can add it, so that it becomes a nice smooth gravy. So you can see almost now they are half cooked. So at this point of time we can add chicken to this. So let us bring this chicken closer and add it. So I'm adding it. It is the best version of making the chicken, guys, so you can enjoy it, and more people love this kind of chicken. And if you want, as I said, you need not to cook it in a pressure cooker. If you think that this cannot be cooked so easily, you can even add little raw papaya to this, so that it cooks faster. Just keep on stirring. So here we no need to add water, because there is already yogurt in this and it leaves water. We have added salt as well, and even chicken has little bit of water because we have washed it in water, so it leaves water. For about a minute we have to just cook it on a low flame just for a minute, and then we can increase the flame. You can see how nice color it is looking. Now let us increase the flame now. Shahi Jeera gives a nice flavor to this as well. So guys, you can try using Shahi Jeera always in the non-veg whenever you cook, especially chicken and mutton meat. Let's increase the flame now and close the lid. So after a minute we'll open this. Meanwhile, this is the bowl which we have marinated. We can add a little water to this. If you want, you can add, or just because this has also good because this is a marination, so you can add this. It has all juices in this, so So if you want, you can add, or you can skip. So usually I don't like wasting anything, so I usually just use this as well, because even there would be a good taste in this. So I add it. So now let's see, almost a minute now. We'll just move it. It is nicely getting cooked. It's nicely getting cooked. So at this point of time, we can add the tomatoes. I have de-seeded the tomatoes here, so it's just the tomato, not the seeds, because seeds is not good for health. Tomato is a fruit and it has rich in vitamin C, and it is good for health and for the immunity as well. But you know, it's the seed is not good for health. It is someone who has kidney issues or any kidney problem, they should avoid it. So it's better to avoid. So usually I remove the seeds and I cook it, because prevention is better than cure. So it's a tip, guys. So whenever you use tomatoes, just even if you want, you can use the blanched tomatoes, that just remove the peel as well. So boil the tomatoes, peel off the skin of the tomato, and then use it. So here we have also the marination mixture, so all the juices here, you can see. So this one we need to leave it for about at least 20 minutes, because in clay pot, if you leave this for 20 minutes, it just cooks very soft and very nicely. And here we can add little coriander leaves and mint leaves as well. Just don't add whole, but we are adding only half a bowl out for here, so that the nice smell and aroma of the mint and coriander goes into the chicken curry. And just on a medium flame, just on a lid, with the lid, sorry, cook it for about 20 minutes. And if you want, you can even add garam masala powder. Guys, I have here garam masala powder, so even you can add this. This is a homemade garam masala powder. And if you want, even you can add some coriander powder as well. As I told you in my earlier videos as well, that the non-veg or any curries, you make it in the clay pot, it just becomes delicious. Or I can say that no one can beat this taste, if you cook it in maybe in a pressure cooker or wherever it is, whatever other utensil. So it doesn't taste that good as clay pot does. So you can see how nicely the oil is coming up, that is, it's almost cooked. So the oil is coming up, it seems that it's almost cooked here. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you all cook in a clay pot and enjoy cooking in the clay pot and have it and lead a healthier life. Thank you for watching this, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.